Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
Have you ever wanted fresh herbs to liven up your meals? Imagine the aroma of freshly picked basil or rosemary wafting through your kitchen. It's not just about the taste, it's about the experience of growing something with your own hands. Imagine stepping outside and snipping a bit of rosemary or basil. Gardening is like magic. You can transform a simple dish into a gourmet meal with just a few snips of fresh herbs. The flavors are more vibrant, the scents more intoxicating, and the satisfaction of knowing you grew it yourself is unparalleled. You plant tiny seeds, nurture them with sunshine and water, and watch them grow. It's a process that teaches patience and care. Each day, you see a little more progress, a little more life. It's a reminder of the beauty of nature and the rewards of nurturing it. It's rewarding to eat food you've grown yourself. Tomatoes bursting with flavor. There's nothing quite like the taste of a tomato that's been ripened on the vine, kissed by the sun, and picked at the peak of its freshness. It's a taste that store-bought tomatoes just can't match. Lettuce with a satisfying crunch. Freshly picked lettuce is crisp, refreshing, and full of flavor. It's the perfect base for a salad, a sandwich, or even just a healthy snack. And knowing that it came from your own garden makes it taste even better. But gardening is more than just food. It's a way to connect with nature, to find peace and tranquility in a busy world. It's a chance to slow down, to breathe in the fresh air, and to appreciate the simple pleasures in life. It's good for the soul. There's something deeply satisfying about getting your hands dirty, about feeling the soil between your fingers and knowing that you're helping something grow. It's a form of therapy, a way to clear your mind and find a sense of calm. Spending time outdoors, connecting with nature, can reduce stress. The sights, sounds, and smells of a garden can be incredibly soothing. The gentle rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds, the scent of flowers, all of these can help to lower your stress levels and improve your overall well-being. It's a chance to get some exercise and fresh air. Gardening can be a great workout, helping you to stay active and healthy. It's a way to get your body moving, to stretch and strengthen your muscles, and to enjoy the benefits of being outdoors. Plus, gardening can be a fun activity for the whole family. It's a way to spend quality time together, to teach children about nature and responsibility, and to create lasting memories. Whether you're planting flowers, vegetables, or herbs, gardening can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience for everyone. So why not give it a try? You don't need to be an expert or have a green thumb to start gardening. All you need is a little bit of space, some basic tools, and a willingness to learn. The rewards are well worth the effort. You don't need a huge backyard or years of experience. Even a small balcony or window box can become a thriving garden. With a little creativity and care, you can grow a variety of plants in even the smallest of spaces. Even a small balcony or window box can become a thriving garden. Let's get started. Whether you're looking to grow your own food, beautify your space, or simply find a new hobby, gardening has something to offer everyone. So grab your tools, pick your plants, and start your gardening journey today. Don't be intimidated by fancy gardening gadgets. You can start with a few basic tools. A hand trowel is perfect for digging small holes to plant seeds or seedlings. A garden fork will help you loosen the soil and remove weeds, and a watering can is essential for giving your plants a refreshing drink. Choose tools that feel comfortable in your hand. Look for sturdy, durable materials. Gardening gloves are also a good idea. They protect your hands from blisters and prickly plants. Remember, you don't need to buy everything at once. Start with the essentials and add to your collection as you go. Most vegetables and herbs need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Observe your garden throughout the day and identify the sunniest spots. South-facing areas usually receive the most sunlight. Next, consider the soil. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. It should be loose and crumbly, allowing roots to grow easily. You can buy bags of soil at garden centers or improve your existing soil with compost. Think about access to water. It's helpful to have a water source nearby to make watering easier. With a little planning, you can find the perfect spot for your garden to thrive. Now comes the fun part, choosing what to grow. For beginners, it's best to start with easy-to-grow plants. Lettuce, radishes, and beans are great choices. Herbs like basil, mint, and chives are also relatively low maintenance. Think about what you enjoy eating. If you love salads, plant plenty of leafy greens. If you prefer stir-fries, try growing peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can try growing different varieties of the same plant to see which ones you prefer. Gardening is all about learning and discovering. Once you've chosen your plants and found the perfect spot, it's time to prepare the soil. Use your garden fork to loosen the soil to a depth of about 12 inches. This will help improve drainage and make it easier for roots to grow. Next, mix in some compost. Compost is like magic food for your soil. It adds nutrients and improves its structure. You can make your own compost or buy it from a garden center. Remove any weeds or rocks you find. Weeds compete with your plants for water and nutrients. Now your soil is ready for planting. Section 6. Green Fingers, Happy Plants, Watering and Feeding Your Garden. In this section, we'll explore the essential practices of watering and feeding your garden to ensure your plants thrive. Proper watering and feeding are the cornerstones of a healthy garden, and mastering these techniques will reward you with lush, vibrant plants. Watering is crucial, especially for young plants. Young seedlings and newly planted transplants are particularly vulnerable to drying out, so they need consistent moisture to establish strong roots. Water deeply and less frequently rather than giving your plants a little sprinkle every day. Deep watering encourages roots to grow deeper into the soil, making plants more drought-resistant and robust. Stick your finger into the soil to check the moisture level. This simple test can help you determine if your plants need water or if they have enough moisture to sustain them. If it feels dry an inch below the surface, it's time to water. Consistent monitoring of soil moisture helps prevent both under- and overwatering, which can stress plants. Feeding your plants is also important. Fertilizers provide essential nutrients that might not be available in the soil, helping plants grow stronger and produce more flowers or fruits. Just like us, plants need nutrients to grow strong and healthy. A well-fed plant is more resistant to pests and diseases and can better withstand environmental stresses. You can use organic fertilizers like compost tea or worm castings. These natural options enrich the soil with beneficial microorganisms and nutrients, promoting a healthy ecosystem in your garden. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package carefully. Over-application can lead to nutrient burn, while under-application might not provide the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. Overwatering and over-fertilizing can harm your plants. Signs of overwatering include yellowing leaves and root rot, while over-fertilizing can cause leaf burn and stunted growth. It's best to err on the side of caution. When in doubt, it's safer to underwater and under-fertilize than to overdo it. Plants can often recover from slight neglect, but overwatering and over-fertilizing can cause irreversible damage. Remember, a little care goes a long way. With consistent attention to watering and feeding, your garden will flourish, rewarding you with beautiful, healthy plants. Section 7. Nature's Little Helpers, Welcoming Beneficial Creatures. Your garden is part of a larger ecosystem. It's not just a collection of plants, but a vibrant community of living organisms that interact with each other in various ways. Many beneficial creatures can help your plants thrive. These creatures play crucial roles in maintaining the health and balance of your garden. Ladybugs, for example, are natural predators of aphids, which can damage plants. By keeping the aphid population in check, ladybugs help ensure that your plants remain healthy and strong. Bees and butterflies pollinate your plants, helping them produce fruits and vegetables. Pollination is essential for the reproduction of many plants, and these insects are some of the best pollinators around. You can attract these helpful creatures by providing them with food and shelter. Planting a variety of flowers that bloom at different times of the year ensures that there is always something for them to eat. Plant flowers that attract pollinators like sunflowers, which are not only beautiful but also provide a rich source of nectar. Lavender, which has a lovely fragrance and is a favorite among bees, and zinnias, which are vibrant and attract butterflies. Leave some areas of your garden undisturbed to provide habitat for beneficial insects. These wild areas can serve as safe havens where insects can live and reproduce without disturbance. Remember, a healthy garden is a balanced ecosystem. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest plant, has a role to play in maintaining this balance. By welcoming beneficial creatures, you're creating a thriving environment for your plants to flourish. Not only will your garden be more productive, but it will also be a more beautiful and enjoyable place to spend time. Section 8. From garden to table. Harvesting and enjoying your bounty. One of the most rewarding aspects of gardening is harvesting your own food. There's nothing quite like the taste of a sun-ripened tomato or a crisp lettuce leaf picked fresh from your garden. Harvesting at the right time is important for the best flavor and texture. Each plant has its own signs of ripeness. Tomatoes should be a vibrant red, while lettuce leaves should be firm and crisp. Once you've harvested your bounty, get creative in the kitchen. Use your fresh herbs and vegetables to create delicious meals for yourself and your loved ones. Section 9. The Joys of Gardening, a never-ending adventure. Gardening is a journey of learning and discovery. There's always something new to try, a new plant to grow, a new technique to master. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn as you go. The most important thing is to enjoy the process. Get your hands dirty, connect with nature, and savor the satisfaction of growing your own food. And who knows, you might just discover a passion you never knew you had. Now go forth and get gardening. The world needs more green thumbs.